So I'm going to show you guys all the steps that I take to wash and detangle my hair.
Alright, so for the first step, you guys want to thoroughly rinse your hair just to get rid of all that dirt and gunk that's been left in your hair. Thoroughly rinsing just helps your hair to just loosen up and just gets your curls to just loosen up. Alright, so next up, I'm going to be using the Matrix Food for Soft shampoo. I'm just making sure that it's getting nicely applied into my scalp. And make sure not to scratch your scalp with your nails, because doing that will damage your scalp, guys, I'm telling you. You guys should be massaging your scalp, not scratching it. Alright, so after shampooing my hair properly, I just rinse it out. After rinsing, this is what it looks like. So now I just moved on to the Aussie conditioner and made sure that that got applied everywhere. Now I'm going to take some elastics and section my hair into 4 equal quadrants. So I part my hair down the middle just to get 2 equal parts, and then I part one away. And then with my other section, I just split that in half and then section it. And then I do the same exact steps on the other side. And then I split this in half also. Alright, so firstly, I'm going to be working with this section. Now I'm going to show you guys how to detangle your hair the right way. So what you want to do is just want to take your section and just run it through some water and just take your unbrush and just brush your hair. I find that this is the easiest and fastest way to detangle.
This is what my hair looks like after properly detangling. Now what you guys want to do is section your hair into 4 equal quadrants once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to start off with using this section. Now what you guys want to do for the first section, you guys want to split it in half.
Alright, so this is the section that we're going to be working with first. So now I'm going to be using my absolute favorite gel right now, the Duke's Big Papa gel. Y'all, I'm not even joking, this is the best gel I've ever used in my whole life. I've never used a gel that hasn't left my hair crunchy or flaky before. This gel moisturizes my hair, softens it, and leaves no flaking or crunch, and defines my curls with such little effort. I love this gel, and I'm sure you will too. I didn't really like the clips of this section, so I'm going to redo it and show you guys. Alright, so what I do to style my hair is I just take some gel and just smooth it onto my section, and make sure to take a lot, like don't be shy with the gel. Like I work it into my hair, but like almost like you're squeezing your hair. And usually for the front of my hair, I like to do finger coils just so everything's just nicely defined. So I take my section and just go part by part, piece by piece, and just coil my hair. If y'all don't know how to coil your hair, so what you want to do is just take your hair and just wrap it around your finger and go in a circular motion until you get that nice curl that you're looking for. If you're using this gel, you cannot add any oils before using. Doing so will create a barrier and the gel won't be able to work as much as it could. Alright, so this is the last coil for this section, and what I like to do is just I take my spray bottle and just spray my hair with some water, because I feel like after using this gel you have to spray some water in your hair because it just makes your curls just pop so much more and so much better, guys. And it doesn't hurt to give your hair a little shake. Alright, so this section is nicely finished. I'm going to explain this one more time. So I take some gel and just smooth it onto my section. And then after that, I just take piece by piece, part by part, and just coil my hair in a circular motion until I get those nice defined curls. Y'all, this whole process probably took me maybe an hour. An hour and like 20 minutes maybe. There's most likely going to be some parts of your hair that don't look as good. So what I do is I just go over them again and just coil them again just to see if I can just make them look a little bit better. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after I finish this whole part. And y'all, this is what my hair looks like. Oh my goodness. This gel is so insane. After finishing each section, I just go over them and just spray some water. After spraying my hair with some water, I just always shake my hair. And y'all, most likely everything I use in this video will be linked in my description, so make sure to go check that out. I found this gel in a place I never thought it would be. I found this gel in Winners, guys. If you guys know what Winners is, you guys can just go there and just buy this gel right now, guys. I bought this gel for $12.99. That's actually so cheap for an amazing gel like this. Right here was my last coil for this section, and then I just sprayed my hair with some water. The water just helps the overall look of my curls to just pop way more. Here I'm just fixing some parts that I feel like weren't as defined as I wanted them to be, so I just fixed them. Alright, so that section is done. Now I'm just spraying my hair with some more water. This happens a lot when you don't detangle your hair properly. The ends of your hair when styling are just so tangled. They just look so bad when you add the gel. It's just like they can't curl properly, and it's just so annoying. After detangling your ends, you can just continue and just move on to coiling. And you guys don't have to do the coil method. I just like how defined my curls look when I do it. But you guys can get like a more of a natural look in your hair. It doesn't matter. It's all up to you realistically. Alright y'all, after I finish this last couple coils, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's totally done. Right now, this is so funny to watch because there's actually a part of my hair that I didn't end up coiling and I just missed it. It's just so funny because it's just bulging out of my head. And y'all, this is my last section right here. This is the last section of my curly hair routine. So I just take some gel and just rub it on my ends. And then I take my tail comb and just detangle my ends. Make sure they're nicely detangled. And then I just add in some more gel and just smooth it onto my hair. And then I just do some coils. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will surely answer you. Once again, guys, I'm telling you guys, please buy the Duke's Papa Gel. It will save your life, guys. You guys will see so much change in your hair. I promise you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.
Cool.